Hey gearheads and motorcycle enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bajaj Pulsar NS200. Performance-packed. Let's jump right into the heart of the beast, the engine. The NS200 boasts a 199.5cc, liquid-cooled, 4-valve DTSI engine. Now, that might sound like gibberish to some, but here's the gist. This translates to quick acceleration, meaning you can zip through traffic with ease. The power delivery is smooth, thanks to a refined gearbox, and the engine stays cool even on long rides. Tech talk for gearheads. For the tech enthusiasts out there, the NS200 features a BS-compliant engine, which means it meets stricter emission standards. It also comes with fuel injection for better fuel efficiency. You'll get more miles out of every gallon. Taming the streets. Performance is one thing, but handling is just as important. The NS200 features a perimeter frame for stability and upside-down front forks that absorb bumps and provide a comfortable ride. These high-performance forks are a big upgrade over previous models, making the NS200 even more appealing. Braking comes courtesy of a disc brake setup on both wheels, with ABS as an option for added safety. Aggressive design. Now, let's talk looks. The NS200 isn't afraid to turn heads. Its sharp design with sculpted lines and a muscular stance screams Street Fighter attitude. The LED headlamp adds a touch of modern flair, while the split tail lamp completes the aggressive look. Unique selling points. So, what makes the NS200 stand out? Here are some key points. Budget-friendly performance. You get a lot of power and handling for a very competitive price. Upside-down forks. This upgrade improves handling and gives the NS200 a more premium feel. Easy maintenance. Bajaj is known for its widespread service network and readily available spare parts, making maintenance a breeze. Conclusion. The Bajaj Pulsar NS200 is a compelling option for riders seeking a feature-packed and exciting Street Fighter experience. It offers strong performance, comfortable handling, and head-turning looks, all at a price that won't break the bank. So, if you're looking for a motorcycle that delivers both thrills and value, the NS200 is definitely worth a look. Thanks for joining us on this ride. If you're interested in learning more about the Bajaj Pulsar NS200, be sure to leave a comment below and let us know what questions you have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe